Our Savor Seattle kayak tours are gourmet kayak tours. People come to experience amazing food in the outdoors and rough it a little bit, getting some camping and kayaking in. The food on Savor Seattle tours is so good because it comes mostly from local sources.
It has been surprising just how good everything has been, but it was touted as pretty gourmet and it has lived up to that in spades. Flavors have all been great, but even just the plating has been amazing.
It was outstanding. There's not a meal that we've had that I thought was at least as good as I could cook it. The guys are fantastic. Fun, knowledgeable, accommodating. They joined in, so it's like they were a part of it. And at the same time, they truly made it very vacation worthy. We saw so much sea life. Oh my gosh, we saw jellyfish and seals, and it was just amazingly beautiful.
It's really awesome how nature peels apart the layers of people. That's when people really can connect with each other. And when pairing great food and great wine as well, it happens at an accelerated pace.
It made camping a completely different experience.
You could boat in a motorboat to this place in a shorter amount of time, but working your muscles to get yourself there with human power, it really is an accomplishment.
And I think what makes the experience really unique is, I felt like I worked pretty hard today, but one of the things that makes it a little bit easier to take is you can come back here and have basically a 5-star meal. But you'd expect to get in a restaurant with all the amenities, but you get to look at this instead.